Hello everybody, it's John again from immoviewer 360, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to edit basic room information. Now by editing basic room information, what I'm particularly referring to is changing room names and reassigning them to a specific floor. So here's how to do it. First is you have to look for the tour that contains the room you wish to edit. In this case, we're making changes to the first tour we have on our dashboard. So we click on Edit here, and this will load up the editor. Now, guys, it's very important that before you make changes to the room information, to be inside the room first. So by changing the room name, it also affects the hotspot name as well, as you can see here on your screen. So let's try and find a photo that we wish to edit. Oh, there we go. Looks like we have a room that has gibberish as its name. So let's try and edit this room. Click on Edit Basics. A pop-up window should appear on your screen. And here we can rename this room to Driveway. We can also reassign it to a specific floor, but since it's currently in its correct floor type, let's just leave it outside. And now you have two different checkbox options. The first option allows you to restrict access to this room. And what that does is, in order for people to access that room, they'll have to key in their contact information because it's now made private. The second checkbox makes this photo the first room of your tour. So this becomes your tour's thumbnail, and this becomes the very first thing that people walk into as soon as they access your tour. So as soon as you're done with all these settings, just click on Update, and like magic, it takes into effect. And now we have this room, or this photo, correctly named. So that's how you rename a room. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to reach out to us through our help desk at help@immoviewer.us. Chat with us through our website, or give us a call at 888-400-8858. Again, this is John, wishing you guys a happy immoviewer day. Thanks, and bye-bye.